Did you know that the average person loses between 50 to 100 hairs every single day? It sounds like a lot, but for most people, new hairs are constantly growing to replace them. But what if they aren't? What if you're noticing more hair in your brush and less on your head? Before you rush out to buy expensive serums and treatments, what if I told you the secret to stronger, healthier hair might be sitting in your kitchen right now? Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Diary of a Hair Lover, a channel where you get to learn more about hair care, tips, and hairstyles. Do well to click on the subscribe button to join this great community. Also, let me know where you are watching from, so I can give you shout out in my next video, and don't forget to like this video. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that so many of you have asked about: how to eat your way to gorgeous hair. We often forget that our hair is a living part of our body, and just like our skin and muscles, it needs the right nutrients to thrive. It's not just about what you put on your hair, but what you put in your body that truly counts. So, if you've ever looked in the mirror and wished for fuller, shinier, or faster growing hair, you are in the right place. We're going to unlock the power of food to transform your hair from the inside out. Many of us struggle with hair issues, whether it's frustratingly slow growth, thinning patches, or hair that just seems brittle and lifeless. You might be spending a fortune on shampoos, conditioners, and masks, but if your diet is lacking, you're only fighting half the battle. Think of it this way: your hair follicles are like tiny factories. If you don't supply those factories with the right raw materials, they can't produce a high-quality product, which in this case is strong, healthy hair. Deficiencies in key vitamins and minerals can actually slow down or even stop hair growth altogether, leading to the very problems we're trying to avoid. Stress, genetics, and hormones play a role, of course, but nutrition is the one factor you have significant control over every single day. So, let's talk about how to take back that control. Alright, let's get into the delicious details. First up, we need to talk about protein. Your hair is literally made of a protein called keratin. So, if you're not getting enough protein in your diet, you're basically starving your hair of its fundamental building block. Excellent sources include lean meats like chicken and turkey, but if you're plant-based, don't worry. Lentils, chickpeas, and tofu are fantastic protein powerhouses. My personal favorite way to get a protein boost is by eating eggs. Not only are they packed with protein, but they're also a great source of biotin, a B vitamin that is famous for its role in hair health. A biotin deficiency can lead to hair loss, so scrambling a couple of eggs for breakfast is a simple and effective step towards stronger strands. Next on our grocery list, iron. Iron is crucial because it helps red blood cells carry oxygen to all your cells, including your hair follicles. When your iron levels are low, a condition known as anemia, it can be a major cause of hair loss, especially in women. To keep your iron levels up, incorporate spinach and other dark leafy greens into your diet. A great tip is to pair your iron-rich foods with a source of vitamin C, because vitamin C dramatically boosts iron absorption. So, think about a spinach salad with some bell peppers or a squeeze of lemon juice. Other fantastic iron sources include red meat, lentils, and fortified cereals. Making sure you have enough iron is like ensuring the superhighway that delivers nutrients to your follicles is wide open and running smoothly. Now, let's talk about the good fats. I'm talking about omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential fats that our bodies can't produce on their own, so we have to get them from our food. Omega-3s nourish the hair follicles, promote growth, and add that beautiful shine and luster we all crave. The number one source for this is fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Just 2 servings a week can make a noticeable difference. For my vegan and vegetarian friends, you can get your omega-3 south from flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. I love sprinkling a tablespoon of ground flaxseed into my morning smoothie or oatmeal. It's an effortless way to feed your hair from within and combat the dryness and brittleness that can make hair look dull. Vitamins are also non-negotiable for a healthy mane. We already mentioned vitamin C for iron absorption, but it also helps create collagen, a protein that strengthens hair and prevents it from becoming brittle. You can find vitamin C in abundance in citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers. Another hero vitamin is vitamin E. This powerful antioxidant helps prevent oxidative stress, which can cause hair follicle cells to break down. A handful of almonds or sunflower seeds is a perfect snack to boost your vitamin E levels. And we can't forget vitamin A. This vitamin helps your scalp produce sebum, the natural oil that keeps your hair moisturized and healthy. Sweet potatoes, carrots, and pumpkins are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, so that slice of pumpkin pie might be doing more for your hair than you think. So we've covered protein, iron, healthy fats, and a whole alphabet of vitamins. But what is the ultimate, single most effective food or nutrient for hair growth? If I had to pick one champion, a true game changer backed by science, it would be a combination: zinc and biotin. While we've touched on biotin, zinc is the unsung hero of the hair world. Zinc plays a vital role in hair tissue growth and repair. It also helps keep the oil glands around the follicles working properly. In fact, hair loss is a common symptom of a severe zinc deficiency. Now, imagine pairing the powerhouse of zinc with the construction crew of biotin. You have repair growth and the foundational building blocks all working in perfect harmony. So where can you find this dynamic duo together? Oysters are off the charts in zinc content. But for a more accessible, everyday option, think about a trail mix made with pumpkin seeds and almonds. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of zinc, and almonds are packed with biotin. Another fantastic food is lentils. They provide biotin, zinc, and iron, all in one package. Creating meals that combine these nutrients is the secret sauce. For example, a lentil soup or a salad topped with pumpkin seeds and a hard-boiled egg. This isn't about one magic food, but about creating a synergy of nutrients that gives your hair follicles everything they need to perform at their absolute best. So, let's wrap this all up. We've learned that you can't just wish for better hair. You have to build it from the inside out. Your grocery cart is your most powerful tool. Remember to prioritize protein from sources like eggs and lentils, which are the literal building blocks of your hair. Don't forget iron from foods like spinach to ensure your follicles are getting the oxygen they need to thrive. Embrace healthy omega-3 fats from salmon or walnuts to add that enviable shine and prevent dryness. And load up on a rainbow of fruits and vegetables like sweet potatoes and bell peppers to get that vital mix of vitamins A, C, and E. And of course, the ultimate power couple, zinc and biotin, found in foods like pumpkin seeds and almonds, work together to repair and grow your hair like nothing else. It's all about creating a balanced, nutrient-dense diet that supports your body's natural hair growth cycle. What you do every day matters more than what you do once in a while. Consistency is key. Start by adding 1 or 2 of these hair-healthy foods into your meals this week and build from there. You'll not only be on your way to stronger, healthier hair, but you'll be boosting your overall health as well. I'd love to hear from you. What are some of your favorite foods for healthy hair? Share your tips and recipes in the comments below. Let's build a community of knowledge together. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tips on looking and feeling your best. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.